Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of wood chippers, where wood stands no chance of survival. Get ready for an adventure with these powerful machines that can shred giant logs in the blink of an eye. Let's kick things off with a showcase of these heavy-duty wood chippers.
The Morbark 2036 is a high-performance wood chipper designed to efficiently process hardwood, softwood, and branches into wood chips. Equipped with a powerful engine and sharp blades, it quickly handles large volumes of material, boosting productivity and saving time. The Morbark 2036 is an ideal solution for businesses needing a durable and efficient wood chipping machine. Bandit 2590XP is a powerful wood chipper with a 765 horsepower engine designed to efficiently process large logs and timber. It features durable, adjustable chipping blades that optimize the chipping process. Additionally, the Bandit 2590XP is equipped with automatic safety features, ensuring the machine stops immediately upon detecting foreign objects. With its exceptional performance and high durability, this machine is ideal for businesses in the wood industry. The Dopstat AK530 is a high-performance wood grinder and shredder with a powerful 530 horsepower engine. It efficiently processes wood, branches, and green waste, reducing materials into smaller, more manageable pieces. The machine features a modern cutting system and intelligent control that enhance productivity while minimizing fuel consumption. Its robust chassis and flexible tracks allow the AK530 to operate effectively on various terrains, making it an ideal choice for wood processing and biomass waste management. The Hansa C16 is an efficient wood chipper designed for handling wood processing tasks. Capable of chipping materials up to 160 millimeters in diameter, it operates with high power and effectiveness, reducing both time and effort required for wood processing. The Hansa C16 also features a design that minimizes noise and vibration, providing maximum convenience for users. The Comtech Crambo is a robust wood chipper designed for efficiently processing wood waste, branches, and biomass materials. With its high capacity, the Crambo can handle hundreds of tons of wood per hour. It turns large wood pieces into smaller chips, ideal for pellet production or biomass fuel. Its durable design and effective cutting system enhance performance while minimizing maintenance costs.